Welcome, California Tenants. Welcome to Martinez Law Center, your dedicated tenant advocates, proudly serving Orange County, Riverside, San Diego, and Los Angeles. We're here to empower California renters with the knowledge you need to protect your rights and live in peace when considering subleasing legally. Subleasing can be a smart move whether you're relocating temporarily, traveling, or sharing rent. But in California, it's crucial to understand your legal responsibilities before handing over your keys. Let's quickly walk through your rights under Subleasing Legally, your California Tenant Rights. Under California law, your lease is the foundation. Always start there. If your lease prohibits subleasing, respect that restriction. Violating it could lead to eviction. If it requires landlord consent, always get that permission in writing. If your lease is silent, you usually have the right to sublet, but formal written approval is still the best protection against disputes. Now here's good news. Landlords can't unreasonably refuse consent. California law protects tenants from arbitrary denials. For example, a landlord may object if your proposed subtenant has poor credit or a bad rental record, but not just because they don't like them. Their refusal must be reasonable. Even when subleasing, remember, you're still legally responsible for the rent and property condition. The subtenant pays you, and you remain accountable to your landlord. That's why it's vital to have a written sublease agreement clearly outlining rent, security deposits, utilities, and move-out terms, and attach a copy of your original lease so your subtenant knows the rules you're bound by. Don't overlook local ordinances. Cities like Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Berkeley have additional tenant protections and specific subleasing procedures that can override statewide norms. And if your landlord refuses to cooperate after you move out, California Civil Code Section 1951.2 requires them to mitigate damages, meaning they must make a reasonable effort to re-rent the property. If they fail to do so, your financial liability could be reduced. To sublease safely. Request consent in writing. Use a proper sublease agreement. Screen your subtenant thoroughly. Keep every document and email as proof of communication. At Martinez Law Center, we stand with tenants, never landlords. We're committed to ensuring that California renters understand their rights and aren't intimidated by complex lease laws. So before subletting your apartment or room, remember, knowledge is your strongest lease protection.
Call now 714-442-9741. Thank you.